Vangels, why are you standing outside now? You get to come inside now. You can stay till the rain finish.
Ah, no, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank God, though. Thank you, sir. Now, why won't I drive come back now?
Where is you going to?
See, we see for ourselves now. I won't go inside. I've been around thing.
So what is wrong with you, though? Do you know it's true intentions?
What be this how they talk rubbish? Hey, boy, I want help now. If you need to come inside, I'm going to come for front of my house.
If you really want to help us, why don't you allow us to stay there? The answer is true. Why you not say that we should leave your corridor? Now you have another reason why you want us to enter inside your house. And besides, we are ladies and we are well cultured.
When I go come inside, when I go carry this in inclusion and speak for me to come for you.